Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the new users. My name is BeDistinct and all I do is modify my freaking car. What the frick, man, that's sick. Anyways, you probably don't know, but we are trying to get to 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could be a darling and help us out by hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. With that being said, if you don't know, in last videos we had a creaking noise in our front suspension. We tried to figure it out. We replaced the compression rods and it fixed one creaking, but then we had more creaking going on, so we switched out our busted ball joints. Take a look at that picture of that busted ball joint. Absolutely disgusting. We went ahead and switched that out. So if you haven't watched that video, if you are experiencing any type of creaking, go ahead, check that video out. The eyes here on top of the video will pop up. Go ahead and click on that. Now the car is driving super good, but there's still one more problem. The car is unaligned. Now I went ahead and aligned my previous G35, my automatic G35, but ever since I got this manual G35, I have never taken it to get aligned. I don't know why. I even put new wheels on it and I still didn't get it aligned. I put new end links, new bushings, new ball joints, a lot of things going on, and I still haven't aligned it. So I think we're pretty overdue on our alignment here for the G35. So we're gonna go ahead, head to a place called Cali Custom Alignment, I believe, and they're gonna go ahead and align our G35 for us and hopefully have this car freaking driving straight once again. I'll show you right now how crooked it is. I thought it was a Tesla driving itself, but turns out it's not. Let me show you guys my Tesla driving. Watch. I'm gonna let go of the steering wheel and we can pretty much switch lanes. No biggie, you see? So it's bad. And even if I turn it this way, look, it goes back to the right. It's pretty bad. Today I woke up and I needed to find an alignment shop, so I started freaking just googling alignment shops here and there. First I called the alignment shop that's close to my house. So last time they charged me 60 bucks, that was like 2-3 years ago. Now I called them and they're charging me 80, which is still not bad. I asked them if they can adjust end links because, you know, I need to adjust my end links. They said, yeah, it just depends how long it takes us and that's how much we're gonna charge you. So that was kind of vague. I don't know how much on top of $80 he's gonna charge me to adjust that. I called different places. I got 165 to do the alignment and the end links, 165. I don't know, it's a little steep maybe, I don't know, maybe I may be wrong. But then I called another shop locally just for the wheel alignment, $150. Then one of my friends, EJ, the one with the standstyle Q50, he recommended an alignment shop, which the one we're going to right now, and they're gonna go ahead and align my car and adjust my end links. And he recommended that shop. He said it's a very good shop and they are going to charge me $120 for the end links and the wheel alignments. And you're asking probably, why am I not going to the one where that charged me $80? When I called him, he said he was a little busy and he was by himself at the shop, so it was gonna take him around 4 to 5 hours to get to my car today. So obviously I don't have that much time. Why don't I go tomorrow? Well, tomorrow I'm installing my hood and I got other things planned day after that, so I get a little busy. So we're heading to this place called Cali Custom Alignments and they're gonna go ahead and align my car today. Hopefully they can go ahead and fix it. Sounds like an awesome dude. I know I showed you guys already, but let me show you guys again my wheel alignment. It's atrocious. Look, I'm gonna let it go. Switching lanes. Oh, I need my exhaust back. I need my exhaust. So lost, bro. Hello, lost. TE's on the freaking, oh shit, this is fire. Where's this place? Is it the one like right outside by the street?
It's like inside. It's on the left side.
So we just found the location, but this location right here next to it, like the building right next to it, dude, they got a bunch of 240s, bro. Like the ones that have the back end of the 400Z, bro. It looks so clean, but they had a Nismo in there, as you guys saw. They had that truck with damn freaking TEs, bro. What the fuck? Sucks. He's doing the ball joints too. Hopefully the G is driving straight again. July 16 is when we'll go ahead and clear it with the state ref, and we can go ahead and put on the bigger one. Just got done. We should be able to get on the road again. We'll go ahead and test out the steering. Hopefully it's straight, and cross our fingers. When I was coming here, man, that thing would swerve to the right super bad. I was telling everybody it was a Tesla. It switches lanes for me. Only to the right.
Self-driving.
Yeah.
Right turns only.
Alright guys, we just came back and the car is finally 100% aligned. It does have a little bit camber, but that's because I have my stock upper control arms. If I want to switch that back to 0, I'm gonna have to get some aftermarket control arms, upper control arms. But besides that, everything is good. All the bushings are good. Diff bushings, brace, ball joints, freaking compression arms. And now we got a G35 with awesome suspension. I believe so. And but let's take a look at the paper. Those are the before measurements. You guys can see that my total toe is on the red right there, and then right there. So now we're good. And as you can see, I'm pretty sure this section right here was the thing that straightened up my steering wheel, because my steering wheel, like I said, I had to turn right to go straight, but now I can turn my steering wheel straight and then the car goes straight. So now it's how it's supposed to be. The only thing that was off still is camber on the right side. Camber was 2.0 and then right now is 1.9, but that's all right. I think camber will vary a lot with this car because this car is it's bagged, so if one side is uneven, then obviously it's gonna have more camber on that side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and side rest a little bit, because here in Sacramento it's actually right now it's like 95 degrees. It's still stupid hot, but later at night we're gonna go out to a meet hopefully and show you some cool cars if there is any. I'm gonna have to hit you guys with a false alarm once again. We freaking saw the location. So basically we live there and the meet was all the way over here. It's about 40 minutes from where we live, and we're just like, man, that's hella far. So the crew decided to, well, the crew and I will not exclude them. I myself too, I was like, man, that's kind of far. So right now we're pretty much, since we flaked on the meat, we're just gonna go ahead and go to Walmart real quick, buy a little quick detail spray that we need to get for when we wash my car, because I ran out. And then after that we're gonna call it a day, man. We're gonna go ahead and call it a day because we gotta prep tomorrow. Tomorrow is the official installation date of the honeycomb hood on my G35. Tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and install it, but I need to find someone who can freaking ship or who can freaking transport my hood, because my hood is too big for my car. I do not want to install it and drive it there because I do not want it flying off. So we're gonna have to find somebody really fast because the installation is tomorrow. It looks like they stocked up. I have this one. I bought this one, but this one looks like more, it's like it's a wax. This is the quick detail. This one, the ones that clean like the poop stains and stuff like that. This one's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and stock up. Also gonna be painting our calipers on Thursday, I believe. So we're gonna also need some sandpaper. I don't know this brand, Gator. I've never heard about it. I don't know how good it is, but I mean, it should be decent, right? I mean, it's just sandpaper, right? It's not like, I think 220, 320 grit should be good. We'll cop a set. Then we need that polishing sander, 400, 600. Sure, why not? I want that 1000 one. Do they got the 1000 one? The 1000 is the real one. I think I have some at home, but just got done buying, purchasing. She's sitting pretty. Man, with that new hood, man, that thing's gonna look fresh. Hell yeah. All right, guys, we just got home. Let's turn off the LEDs. This is the first time in a while of me driving outside with the LEDs, man. Like, I usually have them off, but I mean, they look pretty cool, right? I mean, I gotta sometimes give pleasure to some people sometimes. Like little kids, when they see this, they get all excited. You know, it brings happiness to their life. So, man, come on, let's bring some happiness into this world. But anyways, we got a whole damn, you thought I was playing around? Nah, bro, we really out here collecting all these bottles, man. Come on, man. Anyways, guys, that was it for today's vlog. Very short little vlog, nothing much, just an alignment for the G35. We gotta have it running straight and awesome. It's running better than ever right now. With that being said, I want you guys to be ready for tomorrow. I want you guys there bright and early. You guys know I post at 11:30 a.m. I want you guys to be there early for the honeycomb hood installation release. Man, it's gonna be freaking great. So tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. installation, if everything goes good, of course. Thank you guys for all the support. Love you guys. Be safe out there. Be distinct, man. Catch you guys next video. Peace.